to show you my easy, quick grill and fry, which is part of that cooking with what you have. So let me show you what I've got. Some Campari tomatoes and portobello mushrooms, which I'm going to grill at the same time I'm grilling the ribs. And then while that's going on, I'm going to do a quick stir fry of rapini and as I mentioned in the previous trailer, red bell pepper to give it a pop of color. And I found the other half of the shimeji mushrooms. So always start with ginger and garlic, most important. And we're going to have a squeeze of lime with sanjay tamari and a little bit of sherry, and that's it. Really simple. So this is a great weeknight dinner. I like to use Celtic sea salt, and here we go. This is the chili lime seasoning blend, which I love. For the tomatoes and the portobello mushrooms, I've slathered it with some avocado oil, both sides. All right, so I'm just going to show you what the ribs look like now that they've been sprinkled with the spice rub. And look at this beautiful setup I've got. I've got the ribs on one side and the vegetables on the other side ready to go under the grill. So everything I need for my stir-fry vegetable dish is right on this chopping board with a sprinkle of sanjay tamari and some sherry. All right, one side is done. Look at the beautiful tomatoes and portobello mushrooms. And look at these ribs. Wow. Really fast. So here I am adding a little bit more ghee in there. Once the oil starts shimmering, you're going to add your aromatics in there, which is the garlic and ginger. Hear that? Immediately add in your rapini, stand back. Lovely. Rapini is a little bit watery. You might get a little bit of splashing, so please be careful. Next I'm adding in the red bell peppers for a spot of color. Then the shimeji mushrooms. Now I like to separate it. Give it a stir before we add in some chicken stock. Cover it. That's it. So this is the glazing technique that I like to use, which is stir frying it first and then add stock. Taking a little peek. Just see how it's shrunk right down. All right, so all we need to do is to add in the tamari, which is like my salt. So you don't need salt and tamari. And then a little sprinkle of medium drinking sherry. And last, add a squeeze of lime. And here is the grill and fry dish. So the ribs, the portobello mushrooms, tomatoes, sweet potato, didn't mention that at the beginning, and the rapini stir fry.